the garden harvesting today, and I saved the most exciting thing for last, a zucchini. Now, you're probably saying it's July. What kind of garden is excited by zucchinis in July? I mean, this is when we're all going, I wonder which of my friends I can pawn a zucchini off on. But this plant has a very special story. This plant, if you watched the earlier video, I'll put a link to it, broke in half and died. But this was the top half that broke off, so we thought, well, we'll stick it in a bucket of water and we might get something out of it. And I am now about to harvest our first zucchini from it. We're really excited about this because we have lots of problems with vine borers, and this seems like a possible way to more quickly get a plant back from a vine borer disaster, which is what that plant is. This is the yellow squash that a vine borer got, and it's got a female bud in there. I don't know if you can see that real well. But so, I'm going to bring you along and make sure I'm not getting any of the leaves, and there you go. From a dead zucchini plant, harvested a zucchini. So hopefully we'll get some more, because this is our only zucchini plant. We had an 8-ball plant too. We have some 8-ball plants too, but my sister likes normal zucchini, particularly ground graded up, so we're excited about that.